A minimalist apartment is more than just a home with fewer belongings. It is a thoughtfully designed space where every element serves both a practical and aesthetic purpose. In today's fast-paced urban lifestyle, many homeowners and apartment dwellers seek interiors that feel spacious, organized, and effortlessly stylish. Glass and metal have emerged as two of the most influential materials in achieving this goal. Their sleek appearance, durability, and versatility make them ideal for modern interiors that prioritize clean lines and understated elegance. When used correctly, these materials can completely redefine the atmosphere of an apartment, creating a sophisticated environment that feels open, bright, and welcoming. Whether you are furnishing a new city apartment or refreshing your current living space, incorporating glass and metal decor can help you achieve an elevated, minimalist look without overwhelming your home. The appeal of glass and metal in contemporary interiors. Minimalist design focuses on removing excess while highlighting quality, proportion, and functionality. Glass and metal naturally support these principles because they contribute visual simplicity without appearing plain. Glass introduces transparency that allows light to travel freely throughout a room. It minimizes visual barriers, making compact apartments appear larger than their actual dimensions. Metal complements this openness by adding crisp outlines and structural definition. Together, these materials create interiors that feel modern, balanced, and timeless. Unlike decorative trends that quickly become outdated, glass and metal maintain their elegance year after year, making them worthwhile investments for long-term interior design. Start with a clean foundation. Before introducing decorative pieces, establish a neutral foundation that allows glass and metal to stand out naturally. Soft white walls, pale gray flooring, and muted furnishings create a calm backdrop that enhances reflective surfaces. Avoid overly busy patterns or excessive ornamentation. A clean architectural canvas makes every carefully selected decor piece feel intentional rather than accidental. Simple surroundings also allow natural light to interact beautifully with transparent glass and polished metal finishes throughout the day. Let glass expand small spaces. Space is often limited in urban apartments, making visual openness especially valuable. Glass furniture creates the illusion of extra room because it occupies physical space without blocking sight lines. Glass side tables, floating shelves, and console tables appear lighter than traditional wooden furniture, helping rooms feel less crowded. Even a glass dining table can make a compact dining area feel significantly more open. Large windows paired with sheer curtains further amplify this effect by inviting daylight deep into the apartment. Use black metal for strong visual definition. Among all metal finishes, matte black remains one of the most popular choices in minimalist interiors. It creates bold contrast while maintaining an elegant appearance. Thin black frames around mirrors, shelving units, lighting fixtures, or room dividers provide subtle architectural detail without becoming visually overwhelming. Because the lines remain slim and uncomplicated, they reinforce minimalist aesthetics rather than competing with other design elements. The result is a home that feels refined, structured, and effortlessly modern. Blend warm metallic finishes for added sophistication. While black metal offers dramatic contrast, warmer metallic finishes introduce a softer sense of luxury. Brushed brass, champagne gold, and bronze can all be incorporated sparingly to create inviting focal points. Consider brass cabinet handles in the kitchen, bronze table lamps in the living room, or gold-framed mirrors in the entryway. These details catch light beautifully without dominating the room. Mixing two complementary metal finishes can also add visual depth, provided the palette remains restrained and consistent. Keep decorative objects purposeful. Minimalism encourages intentional decorating rather than filling every available surface. Each decorative object should contribute either function, beauty, or ideally both. Glass sculptures, geometric candle holders, elegant vases, or minimalist clocks provide visual interest while respecting the simplicity of the space. Instead of displaying numerous collectibles, choose a few statement pieces that reflect your personal style. This curated approach creates a calmer environment where every object receives the attention it deserves. Introduce texture through contrast. Although glass and metal are visually sleek, an apartment should still feel comfortable and inviting. Contrast is essential for creating warmth. Balance smooth surfaces with textured fabrics such as boucle chairs, woven baskets, linen curtains, wool rugs, and soft cotton cushions. Wooden furniture with natural grain patterns also pairs beautifully with industrial-inspired metal accents. Adding greenery through potted plants further softens the overall composition while introducing vibrant color and organic texture. Highlight vertical space. Urban apartments often have limited floor area but generous wall height. Taking advantage of vertical space improves both storage and visual appeal. Tall metal-framed bookcases, floating glass shelves, and vertical wall mirrors draw the eye upward, making ceilings appear higher. This creates a greater sense of openness, while providing practical storage for books, artwork, and decorative objects. Maintaining balanced spacing between shelves prevents the display from appearing crowded. Create cohesion with repeating materials. One hallmark of professional interior design is consistency. Repeating glass and metal elements throughout different rooms creates a unified visual language. For example, if your living room features black metal lighting fixtures, continue the same finish in bathroom hardware or bedroom mirrors. Likewise, glass accessories can be used across multiple spaces without making the design feel repetitive. This continuity allows the apartment to flow naturally from one room to the next while reinforcing its minimalist identity. Embrace natural light as part of the design. One of the greatest advantages of glass decor is its interaction with natural light. Sunlight reflected from glass surfaces adds brightness and subtle movement throughout the day.